Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce Knorr noodles. Heat 2 tablespoons butter, stir in 2 tablespoons flour, and whisk in 250 ml milk until thick. Fold cooked Knorr noodles into the sauce, add salt and pepper, then finish with grated cheese. Stir gently so the noodles remain intact and creamy. Plate immediately while warm and sprinkle parsley for color and freshness. This method keeps the sauce. Gather ingredients and prep before you start to keep everything easy. Get butter, flour, milk, Knorr seasoning, cooked noodles, and cheese at hand. Melt butter in a pan over medium heat, add flour, and cook briefly to remove raw taste. Whisk in milk slowly until a smooth sauce forms, then stir in cheese and seasoning. Toss noodles into the sauce off the heat and coat evenly for best texture and flavor. Use medium heat and steady whisking to prevent lumps or burning in the white sauce. If the sauce thickens too much, add a splash of milk and whisk to reach the right consistency. For texture, reserve some noodle water to loosen the sauce if needed. Taste and tweak seasoning gradually, remembering the Knorr packet adds salt. Finish with a little grated cheese off the heat for silkiness and serve immediately for best mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.